Strong, tough, reliable. Meet Inslogic PC-ABS. Every spool is pre-dried and sealed for superior extrusion and dimensional accuracy. Perfect for electronics. PC-ABS offers heat resistance and structural integrity for housings. Designed for daily wear and tear, resists heat, flexes under pressure, and holds its shape. Durable and secure, ideal for mounting hardware under constant stress. Tough against drops, flexible under tension, long-term durability guaranteed. Surface ready and style friendly, perfect for custom branding and high-end finishing. Designed to combine the best of both worlds, the strength of PC, the flexibility of ABS. From gadgets to gear to personalized parts, Inslogic PC-ABS delivers strength, durability, and finish.